Independence Day! Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Hi, hello, namaskara. Such a beautiful wintry morning from Mudigere. Mudigere ಬಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಹತ್ರ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ದಟ್ ಐಮ್ ಗೋನ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಅರೌಂಡ್. This is Nandini and this is my channel, and in case if you're new to my channel, I would recommend you to subscribe to my channel because I always sometime post my travel vlogs in my YouTube channel. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾನೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಮೂಡಿಗೆರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮೂಡಿಗೆರೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎತ್ತಿನ ಭುಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ನಾನಂತೂ ಕೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎತ್ತಿನ ಭುಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಗೂಗಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ Oh, how do we cross this? Okay. So ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅರೌಂಡ್ 11:30 ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 11:30 we got picked up from this TT, what you see right behind me, and so we got here around 4:30 and I just got a small nap. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಮೀಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. I think you might have already seen him before in my previous vlog. That's the Mudumalai Forest. In case if you haven't watched my Mudumalai series, there are 2 vlogs. You really have to go ahead. I'm going to be linking up here. Captain who's arranged this beautiful travel.
Trips.
Yeah, tool trips. So ಈಗಿರೋ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಭಯ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಕ್ಷನರಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಾಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ನಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಗಾಟ್.
ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ವಿನ್ಸಿ?
ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಡೇಟ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 3-4 ಡೇಸು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಕಿ ಈ ಸಲ ಡೋಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಡೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ I should get my dose.
2 to 3 days difference will be okay, no problem. But as soon as you get back to Bangalore, you please take vaccine immediately.
I will, boss.
Yes.
So I have other people to show you around.
Yes,
so let me go. So there are people who are sitting right behind here. So we all had our breakfast. So we already in hurry to to get started because it's already 7:30. Yes, meet my team here. This is Jagruti and
Sukesh.
By the way, he's an actor. And yes, this is the kiddo that we have in our group. What's your name? I forgot. Shankar.
Yes.
And yes, this is Kiran, right? And I forgot your name. Yogi. Yeah. So he's wearing a mask, so you cannot see his face right now. This is Mr. Prakash. This is gonna be our camping tonight. Hi, please introduce yourself.
Jay from Bangalore.
Jay from Bangalore. You know Mr. Vinci, and this is, I forgot. Darshan.
Anil Shetty, Bangalore.
Anil Shetty, Bangalore. And this is Mr. Ram, a beautiful photographer.
We are going to ahead to trekking Ethina Bhuja. So Ethina Bhuja is nothing but there is a ox. The hump will be there, right? So the shape of the mountain will be same like ox hump.
Shoulder.
Yeah. Yes. So we are going to climb. Going to do the trekking on the top of the peak of the mountain. that is Ethina Puja.
Distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ Vinci?
Up and down it is 8 kilometers. One side it is 4 kilometers and down it is again.
So it is so steepy, right?
It
Like
will be, yes, perpendicular. So we will be having a bit risky kind of, some places will be risky, trekking will be there, but still we all have a safety measures and we all, trained people. So yes.
So we always share experience. Please subscribe this channel.
thank you.
Okay, so anyway, some 25 to 30 kilometers distance there. So let's not waste our time. So we'll start playing some games, new games. Not yesterday, last night we played Chinese Whisper. So that is almost got bored. So better we'll play some other game. So
Okay.
how many of you know Dumb Sharon? Dumb Sharon. Yeah. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಿಸನ್, ಓಕೆ? ಪೇಪರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವನ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ಯೋಧ,
ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ,
ಶಕ್ತಿಮಾನ್,
ಹೂವಿನೇಮಾ
Step ಹಾಕಿ.
ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್, ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ದಿಗಂತ್.
ಅಬ್ಬ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೀರೋನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹಳೆ ಮೂವಿನ ಹೊಸ ಮೂವಿನ
Little longer than a few minutes later.
ರಮ್ಯಾ, ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ, ರಮ್ಯಾ, ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಡಿಗೆನ. ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗವೆ. We're finally at Ethina Puja right now. So this is the base point where we're walking, and as soon as you get entry inside the Ethina Puja, you'll have a parking space, and we actually paid for about $70 for the parking space, and then we parked it outside and we're walking all the way. This is, as I said before, this is going to be 4 kilometers from here, and yes, I really have to admit about the drive. It was such a crazy drive, and I've seen a lot of pit and holes, and it was such a crazy drive, honestly. And this is completely filled with the so lush green. Oh my god, the view is astonishing. It is such a beautiful weather changes, like a mood swing ಆದಂಗೆ ವೆದರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ತುಂಬ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಸನ್ನಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೌ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಸಿ ದ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸನ್ನಿ ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸಿಲಿತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಟಫ್. ಟೇಕ್ half an hour. Okay. See, there are a few people finished the trekking and they're going back, and they said it's going to take about 30 minutes. So Ethina Puja ಬಗ್ಗೆ so almost it is very unknown place. I think unknown destination ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ so it is actually basically 30 kilometers from where we're staying right now, and it just took for about 1.5 hours. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಎನಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ for you to find this address, and Google Map to kandita illi work agadilla. You won't even find this place in Google Map, so you really have to ask lot of people.
Sir,
Ethina Puja, straight and stop your vehicle and ask is what we did. It was such a nice experience, and we were screaming from one end to other end to ask, because you hardly find a house, you hardly find people on the road. Of course, you've seen the road. I mean, it is so deadly narrow. It's just a 10 feet wider. And ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ I don't know. Driver must be expert. And there's hardly people here. I think we are the only 3 people here, and there's only few people. There are 2-3 vehicles which was parked outside. Wow, such ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
I'm going to go there.
Let's go.
I should be. We are in a temple run, but what do you call it? Mountain run.
ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ರನ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Basically,
ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು.
ಲೀಚಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್.
Kruti, are you tired?
a little, but it doesn't matter, you know. This place is worth every drop of my sweat.
Oh, not the blood.
Every time we say goodbye,
Oh my god, see this
they
narrow
all
road?
see that it's a lie.
Not the road, it's a path.
'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone.
Finally to the light.
You never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know.
Behind is Jagriti and we are here, middle of nowhere. Wow, it's so foggy and I'm so tired. Jagriti, how long we've been trekking? For about, yeah, it's been an hour that we've been trekking.
But I didn't even realize it was an hour.
Yeah, people are going up. Look at the view, guys. It's amazing. You really have to come here all the way to experience this. Crazy. Oh my god. ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್? ಆ ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು 100 ಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್. We at the peak right now. Oh my god, this is such a insane, craziest hike ever that I ever done in my life. Oh my god, initially it was kind of okay, and I mean, of course you might have seen it before, and it started with a foggy, and we actually had a proper path to climb up, and as soon as we started beginning, and half of it just gone, it's exactly like this, you know, exactly perpendicular, right? Oh my god. And you don't have a proper path to climb up, and it's so rocky and rusted, and you just have to hold, you know, some other stone to climb all the way up. And somebody at the down, he says,
And
he
proper
just said,
trekking shoe is very important.
yeah, and so right now, if you could see right behind, it's a very glossy fog, and covered with the absolutely glossy mist. You cannot see anything other than, you know, people standing right here. In case if you just walk 100 meter, you just gone. I think, I don't know whether we gonna lose. Or, you know, we might lose a step, or just go there. You're just gonna landing at the bottom, I guess. Yeah, here we are. What do you say, Vinci?
Yeah. It is. I mean, you need more energy. You need more energy. But don't stuff your stomach with too much of breakfast or lunch or whatever it is. Have less food and carry enough water with you. I mean, once you reach peak, you don't get any water at all. So.
Yeah, the rainwater. My bag, it just got cut, and I'll have to tie it and throw
Anil.
I just keep my water bottle somewhere. It's on the hill. We could have had a better view from this top, but it's a misty. It's absolutely mist, and it's raining right now. And I'll have to pack all camera and other gadgets inside my bag, and I'm just literally holding my phone and then recording this. It is raining, but still I'm just risking my phone. But yeah, this is worth it, guys. You really have to try this. ಲೀಚು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕುಡಿತಿದೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇವಾಗ?
You're finding it harder to breathe.
ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೈಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
ನೀನೆ
ಎತ್ತಿನ ಭುಜದ ಹತ್ರ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಆದಂಗೆ. Oh my God!
That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say.